Hey, greetings, family. What's going on? It's Cornez, Too Smart to Be Broke. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial today on how to download the MetaMask wallet. The MetaMask is a decentralized wallet, mainly from the Ethereum blockchain, but you can add other chains on there as well. But for the purpose of this video, we'll show you how to add the main Ethereum network wallet. First things first, you can download this on your supported browsers of Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Brave, or the Edge. And just a side note, the Brave browser is a more of a privacy browser that actually allows you to get cryptocurrency in the form of basic attention tokens or BAT tokens for navigating on their site and using that browser. All right, so that is a good browser to use if you want interested in being a little bit more private than Google and actually being a little bit more compatible with cryptos and being in this digital space. Okay, so you can use this with an Android phone, an iOS device such as an iPhone, or your Google Chrome browser here. So that's what we're going to be using. The Android browser actually is more compatible with dApps, or the decentralized applications when you're browsing and looking for something compatible. The iOS, you can use it. It doesn't. It works fine, but it doesn't function as well as the decentralized applications and being compatible when you're browsing the web and trying to use MetaMask with it. Okay, so just keep that in mind. But definitely good to use on iOS and Android. All right, to keep track of your funds. So now we're going to install MetaMask for Chrome. All right, and we're just going to simply add to Chrome, and it's going to download. All right, so when it takes the time, I've already downloaded, so you download it, and now you're going to go add the extension, and right now it's checking. Oh no, I'm sorry, it's actually downloading right now. Okay, so you just have to give it some time. All right, give it a little bit of time to finish downloading. Okay, but make sure you download it from metamask.io. I'm sorry, that is the correct website, metamask.io. All right, now that we've added it to Chrome, it says MetaMask has been added. Okay, what I like to do as well is come to extensions and just pin MetaMask. Hold on, I'm sorry, it was moving too fast there. I like to come down and pin it so I can see this little fox up here. Okay, so after that, we're going to go sorry here. It's going to say, welcome to MetaMask, connecting you to Ethereum and the decentralized web. We're happy to see you. All right. So very important setup stage right here. You have two options. The first option, it says new to MetaMask. Is asking a question. Are you new to MetaMask? No, already have a secret recovery phase. So if you already are using a wallet, a decentralized wallet, and you have a secret recovery phrase already, then you can import the wallet here. It doesn't necessarily have to be a MetaMask wallet. MetaMask is just a interface, but if you already have a wallet and you want to use your previous secret recovery phrase to keep everything together and make it easy on you for your bookkeeping and everything, then you can just import the wallet here. If you're brand new to this space and you don't have a secret recovery phrase or a wallet, this is where you go. So this is very important. When you hear not your keys, not your wallet, so you need your secret recovery phrase as well as access to your private keys for you to be in pure control. Okay, so as you can see, after this next step that I will go to after create a wallet, you never want to give this information to anyone. Okay, otherwise they'll be able to just have access to your wallet at any given time and recover it and take money from it. Okay, so create a wallet here. All right, help us improve MetaMask. You can read through this if you want to agree or not. No thanks. Okay, and what we're going to do now is we're going to create a password. Okay, so the password will be up to you, but this password is not excuse me here. This password is not your password recovery phrase. This is just just a password, just the same way you would log into anything, an email or something like that. But you want to make sure that it's something that, that you will remember, and not something so easy, so it could be, hacked by anybody. But this is just your first level of defense when getting access to your MetaMask. Because when you're already, say you're logged in on the computer, your first step will be, boom, log in. This is the first layer. Just, create a password, okay? So we're going to create a password here and just give it some time. All right. As I was stating before, you can watch this video if you need to. What is a secret recovery phrase? It pretty much says this is a master key. How do you store it? Save it in a password manager. Store it in a bank vault. Store it in a safe deposit box. Write down and store it in multiple secret places. Okay. So never, ever, ever give it to anybody. Do not write it down somewhere you're going to forget it, or, in a notebook. The notebook gets wet, catches on fire, you don't have it anymore. So make sure you have it in multiple places. It's not recommended to have it online or taking pictures of your phone or anywhere that people can find it and pretty much, scam you for your funds. Okay. So, you want to keep that private the same way you would keep your bank login information private, the same way you keep your social security, all that stuff private. All right. So we're going to click next. All right. And here is the secret recovery phrase. Store this phrase in a password manager like 1Password. Okay. So, if you want to take that tip, that's on you. All right. Now we're going to click here. These are the giving phrases that they have given us. So you want to make sure to write these phrases down offline and write them down in order. Make sure you spell everything correctly. And after this next step is going to ask you to verify. All right. So now we're going to verify what the phrases were. So Raven, electric, veteran, jungle, fence, auto, help, worth, enter, laundry, erase. I missed one. I missed veteran back here. Hold on. Oh, okay. I can move it. Bow. Raven, electric, veteran, jungle, fence, auto, help, worth, enter, laundry, erase, grab. Now we're going to confirm. Now everything is all set, and we're going to get ready to start navigating on this wallet just a little bit. Okay. We're making transactions easier to read. Token in, token out. All right. So as you can see here, you have 0 ETH in this wallet. All right. You can see assets. We're on the Ethereum blockchain, and keep in mind you can send any Ethereum token ERC20 to this wallet, and I'll show you a little bit about that here in just a second. All right. So if you want to find your address, this is your address. You can copy to the clipboard. If you want to see account details, this is the full address. Okay. Export private key. So if you want to have your private key and export it, all right, like, use it for another wallet or whatever, then you have to put in your password here to access that. Now you can change the name of this wallet because you can have multiple different wallets here. So we can just gonna put test Ethereum. Okay. And exit out of there. But say I wanted to buy some Ethereum, you go here. You can buy ETH with wire using a debit card. Buy ETH with Transask or debit card and bank transfers, or directly deposit Ether to the wallet. So the best way to get Ethereum is to actually have it sent over from another wallet. Maybe you have another decentralized wallet, or maybe you have crypto.com or something like that, and you want to send money over here so you can have it in your own decentralized private wallet, or use it to buy NFTs or whatever the case may be for you. Okay. How do you see other assets that are on the Ethereum blockchain? Say if somebody sent me some USDC, but I can't see it, so I would have to go to import tokens. There we go. Go to import tokens, and the simplest thing you can do is search, and you can see right here we have USDC. Okay, we'll click next. We'll click import tokens, and now we go back. Now we can actually see right here we have USDC. Okay, and if somebody sent us something, we can see that balance there. And you would do the same thing for others. So say for instance, Hex. You will come over, click Hex, click next, import tokens, and this is where you would view your token. So any ERC20 token. Okay, so this right here is your address. This is how you buy and send. And say if you had Ethereum and wanted to swap it to USDC, you can use this feature that's already built in here if you want to. Okay, and pretty much that is how you download and install a MetaMask wallet. I'll do more videos about adding other blockchains, and if you have any questions, all right, please be sure to drop down in the comments and let me know. All right, but before I end this video, just one more time, do not give your keys to anybody. Do not give your password phrases to anybody. This is your private wallet. Okay, so make sure that you keep it closed, just like you would your bank account or any other personal private information. With that being said, family, I'll see y'all next time. Peace.